in this sample piece, I'm going to go ahead and glue one up. We provide with you a P20 biscuit, which is not something we made. This is actually manufactured. Like I had mentioned before, you want to put some caulk along your biscuit joint in each hole. Don't overload, just get a nice good amount in there. Something that'll leave the biscuit gushing out a little bit of silicone after you shove it in there. And you'll want to come across the top like mentioned before. Along the bottom. Personally, I like to put just a light bead on the opposing side on the top, just to make extra sure that it comes out that top edge. You can see it's gushing out the sides, so I got plenty of silicone in there. That way I know there's no extra material that's not going to be smothered. On the field, it's kind of a pain in the butt, I know, but you got to jockey it around, make sure they're good and level, and you're going to want to bring the two together. We always shove them as tight as we can get them, and then we go to the basket whenever. Get a good push, and you want to get that gush to come out. I'm not using stake tights, it's a little tough to demonstrate by hand, but you want to see that silicone squirt out all along the edges. Now I'm going to put a clamp on this one for demonstration purposes, then we'll come back and we'll go through cleanup.